Today we're going to replace the trimmer head on this SRM 2100 Echo trimmer, and we're going to replace the old head with this 400 trimmer head Venciri, and we bought this on Amazon and it was only like $12. Go ahead and show you how you do this, how you remove it and replace it. Okay, again today we're going to remove this trimmer head. You can see how damaged it is. It's worn right through. We're going to be replacing it with this new trimmer head. We bought this from Amazon. It's a real simple fix. Basically all you do is you have to locate this little hole down here, and you can see there's a groove. You can use any type of a screwdriver or anything that will fit in there. And you'll notice this notch is going to keep it from turning. And then what we do is we're going to twist this clockwise, and that will remove it. Once you get it removed, all you have to do is just go ahead and put on the new head and spin it the opposite direction, and then just go ahead and tighten it up. And it's just that you're twisting this. You can see the grooves on there. You just go ahead and twist it, get it nice and snug. So now that it's on nice and snug, we are good to go. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.